Till now, we have learned about three important data types in Python. That is, numeric data type, string data type, and Boolean data type. In this video, we are going to understand how to convert from one data type to another data type in Python. We have got two types of type conversion. They are implicit type conversion and explicit type conversion. So first, let's learn as what it means, that is implicit type conversion. In case of implicit type conversion, the Python will automatically convert the data from one data type to another data type. And for doing this, we don't need to specify anything to Python. So to understand this, let's consider this example. Yes, this is an example where Python promotes the conversion of lower data type, which is integer, to higher data type, that is float, to avoid the data loss. So guys, first what I'll do is I'll just initialize A and B as A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 3.1437. And then result is equal to A plus B. And what I'll do is I'll just print this result. Yes, we have the output as 103.1437. Yes, this is a common program which we have seen many times. And now, here's the important observation. So, let's display the type of each variable that have used in this program. That is print type A, print type B, and print type result. And as we can see in the output, we have the variable A belonging to class integer and variable B belonging to class float, and the data type of result is also float. So we see this behavior of converting the result to float data type because Python always converts the smaller data type to larger data type to avoid the loss of data. Hence, while performing the addition, the Python converted the value of variable A to float value and then performed the addition to avoid the loss of data. This type of conversion of data done by Python program automatically is known as implicit data type conversion. Now, let's take another scenario. And let's see what happens when we add a string value with integer value. So what I'll do is, I'll write the program like this. X is equal to 50 and Y is equal to 50, and as you can see, variable Y is of type string. So to confirm, what I'll do is, I'll just display the type of each variable, print type X and print type Y. And then I'll perform the addition, that is result is equal to X plus Y, and then I'll just print the result. Yes, what we can see here. As we can see in the output, we have the error while performing the addition, and the error is type error. We are getting this error because the Python is unable to use the implicit conversion in this case. That means the system is unable to convert the string value of Y to numeric value. So to resolve this type of issue, we have the explicit type conversion in Python. So in the case of explicit type conversion, we as users have the option to convert the data type of an object to required data type. To do that, we make use of the predefined functions like int, float, string, etc. to perform the explicit type conversion. And this way of converting the data is also called as typecasting. Yes, it is called as typecasting because we are casting the data type of the objects. So guys, let me illustrate the explicit typecasting to the previous example. X is equal to 50 and Y is equal to 50. So this time, after defining the Y as string, we will convert the variable Y to integer type by making use of int like this. So Z is equal to int of Y, and then I'll print type X, print type Y, and then I'll print the type of Z as well. And then I'll just modify the addition like this. Result is equal to x plus z. And then print result. So now I'll just execute the code. As we can see in the output, after changing the data type of variable y, we were able to perform the required mathematical operation. And we have the output as 100. So guys, one thing we have to keep in mind is loss of data may occur when we enforce the object to specific data type. So, to illustrate this, what I'll do is I'll just write a program like this. That is, x is equal to 3.14235 and y is equal to int of x. And then I'll print x and print y. Yes, as we can observe, there is a loss in information when float value was converted to integer. Hence, we have to be mindful in our programs when we are converting the values from one data type to another data type. So guys, this completes our video on type conversion and typecasting in Python.